Tears are bad, living, sha-la-la-la. 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 Once on the morning, I come out, keep my buy honey and tomato and garlic. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm at coming, I'm out some bullshit. I'm a run for Susan, I'm a run for no more. Opening the must go to dark.
So guys, we just made it to Rick's Cafe in Negro, Jamaica. And I don't know if they're gonna have a competition today, but sometimes they have people who dance and compete for money. And then also you can jump off right here into the ocean. I don't know if I'm gonna go down there because I'm really not in the mood. But there's some people swimming, and then you can jump off lower down as well. You don't have to jump off up here. I think he's gonna jump. A lot of people do get scared as soon as they get to the ledge. But yeah, swim for a little bit and then order a drink.
I'ma get the girl run the fun. Let me see the girl run the fun. Yeah, the page and still in the good meal. Water in 5 meals can't be a ring bill. Keep another large child and feel who's sending the running. Send my ghost to the link. Yeah, dumma. Potato for the badness,
Now, before you leave the stage, you got to leave something for these beautiful people right here. Now, the DJ is going to choose his song, and you're just going to freestyle it, all right? You ready? England, ready? Yeah. All right. Here we go.
Love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, what you say?
On the iPhone, Rick's Cafe, the London. You look a little bit like an African. African, yeah. Yeah. Tell me where you're from in Africa.
Ghana.
Come on, make some noise for Ghana in the building, yeah?
My name is Minsa. I'm from California.
All right, so there's nobody left back in California right now. They're all here.
My name is Salsa and I'm from Canada.
Canada, make some noise! No, that's not what I'm making right here.
No wonder what does it look like Jamaica.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. God, no. Must be a Jamaican, yeah? Come on, make some noise for Jamaica. Let me tell you, Jamaican, they look shy, but they're crazy. Yeah, don't take them lightly, all right? Yeah, they're just showing that DJ right now. Face the DJ right now. Now go over and put your hands on the stage. Hey, Jamaica, where are you? Jamaica, hey, hello? Excuse you? What? What? No, don't do that. Don't do me that. No sense, man. Over there. Jamaica, come on, Jamaica. You got too much people here rooting for you, Jamaica. Come on. Is it all right? You see it? Trouble? You're in that trouble? Yeah. I mean, you gotta do those warm yourself up right now. Shake what your mama gave you. Do anything you want to do. Let's go. Don't Jamaica. Look around this in the man. Look at the DJ. That's DJ 5 right there. Yeah. That's DJ 5 keeping us alive. Yeah. DJ 5, jump for me. Let's go. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your. Come on. Come on. Shake something. Shake something. Shake something. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Ghana, what's going on? Yeah. Yeah. Bow, bow. Hey, you make another move. Security. Yeah. Hold on. Now, my lady, where you running to? I know this is the islands of a lot of fast athletes, but you know. And when you reach the middle, they're gonna drop it like, where you going? You're gonna drop it like it's hot right there. You do anything you want for 10 seconds, right there in the middle, all right? Then they're gonna walk over to that side and they're gonna strike a pose, all right? Now, I'm all right, show them an example for me. Now, this is what you're gonna do. Can I get the music, please, DJ 5? Yeah, keep it alive. So this is a perfect example of what you're gonna do, all right? Here we go. Here we go. I have my eyes on you. Get back over here.
Pretty girls walk like this.
Yeah. And they go, and. It's anything you wanna do, you wanna work it, you wanna stretch it, and then walk at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pose. Just like that. Just like that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
Go ride.
yeah. See we go. Hey. And pose like this. Where's the pose? Yeah, and that was a commercial break brought to you by All States. Now, my lady, excuse me, the bride, yeah, don't take no step over here. Yeah, it's not their time. 7, 8. Yeah, and strike a pose like this. And yeah. All right, there you go. And 2, 3, strike a pose. Okay. Come on, give it up for lady number 3. Hold on. What? Here we go. Hey. Yeah. Hey. What? Strike a pose.
Guys, so this is another favorite drink from Jamaica. They have it orange, the limeade, they have fruit punch, they have sorrel, and probably some other ones that I can't think of, but these are called box juice, and if you're Jamaican you call it box juice. But I love these to death. Oh my gosh, and it has a little ice in it. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good. And then for dinner I have fish with rice and peas, so you know the vibes. And if you don't know, now you know. So if you ever come to Jamaica, try box drinks. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it.
Me still young, just a girl having fun. Sorry for the misunderstanding, John. Want me just a forward, me never ready for second down. Oh no, me need my funds, yeah. Road off run, work for my own, so me don't need no one. Still no waste man, can't get none. Stand up and I never drop. Squeeze my neck, squeeze my. You would be best, you relieve my stress. Come the less easy access, yeah. Without ties at the best, yes. Moving and competent. Run with the heat that can't beat me. Me don't give a what people say, yes. Without ties at the best. While we young, let's just have fun. No rush commitment, take your time and done. Gotta go with your coming or come. Oh no, you tell me you want me for yourself. No one share me with nobody else. Tell you when I like me, I meant do not text it. If you're bringing me stress, just squeeze my neck, squeeze my. You would be best, you relieve my stress. Come till it's not need me undress, yes. Without ties at the best, yes. Moving and confident. Run with the heat that can't beat me. Me don't give up what people say, yeah. Without ties at the best. Squeeze my neck, squeeze my. You do it best, you relieve my stress. Come, feel less, no need for undress. Without ties out of bed, yeah. Moving and competent. Run with the heat, yeah, boy, feed me. Me don't give a what people say, yeah.
Alright guys, so we made it back into town. Just changed some money and gonna go get my pizza now because I've been wanting this pizza for a week. I was gonna get ice cream today, but get the ice cream another day because my hand about to be full, my belly about to be full. That's true. So yeah. Thank God we made it back safely because that rain was no joke. I'm pretty much dried now. And then now go home and tear up the pizza. And then we want to go back on Saturday, but I don't know yet. Water too cold, man. I will bring my own heating stuff. Bring one little cake up, bring one little water. Yo, that water was no joke. Anyways, I'll pick you guys up when I get my pizza. Yeah. Alright, Sparta. Anyways, this is the place where I'm gonna get the pizza from. It's called Harbour's. And I think they're a bakery as well, so they have other stuff here. Let's see. Guys, look at how pretty these cakes are. I guess they're ready to go. Any more pasta? And then so we collect the pizza down here, so. So guys, we got pizza. Wow, it's so pretty. Like chicken, like no chicken looks like. Like a roasted chicken. You gotta make space for the pizza. Guys, finally get my hand power about juice. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all know my mouth is dry and dehydrated. It's going to taste nice right now. Alright guys, so we are in a supermarket called, what's it called again? Shoppers Pier. And it's like one of the most expensive supermarkets. So I'm looking for strawberries, but they're all out. But mommy picked up cantaloupe, which I don't know why. Let's see. Get this out. Look. Then three for about 900 I think. Can get a whole bag. But this one to come in here, I actually wanted to look for coffee for my managers. Because that's what they want me to bring back. And then my coworkers want some candy and stuff to try. And this is how they sell their fruits. Like they portion it and they put a price tag on it. But oh look, they have all the cereal brands that y'all like, and they have the small ones. I've never seen them sell them this size in America, but they probably do. $100 for them. How much we big one? $900? Anyways, let me go find my mom. think so? What's that?
Hash brown.
No, that one. Chicken tenders? 3 piece?
It's a hash brown.
$4.96. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, let's get this. To eat with my breakfast. Let me see how much for the fries. That's not bad. I'll get one of these too. I don't have nothing to eat with though. No chicken tender. I'll pick up one of these. How much coming out? Let me see. Get the one across the street.
Them across the street. No fun at 500 for you.
Okay.
You can get fries over there too.
I've never seen none. Okay.
Normally when I buy fries, we buy the big bag.
How much?
$900.
I'm not gonna want so much. That's the thing. I'm not gonna eat a lot. Oh, okay. Okay. I know coffee this. Oh no, this is Horlicks. I coffee really take me see, but I eat.
You can try one of them.
You like cookies and cream? Alright, you get a cookies and cream. I get a strawberry banana.
$200.
If not, we put it back.
Right.
No, that's Chobani. Chobani a deer brand. Hold on, mommy. $92. This deer? Is it grip? Mommy said not today. This is some of the Jamaican snacks, guys, that they have out here. Banana bread, brownie. Are they biscuits or cookies? What is it? Cake? Oh. And these are biscuits. Got Hawaiian roll, butter bread, spice bun. I think I used to like these back in the day. But right now, that's too sweet for me. Here's some other stuff. I have been craving liquor for the past 3 days, and I know that's so bad. But baby, when I tell you, they better have a Stella Rosa out here, I'm gonna be upset. Please tell me y'all got a Stella Rosa. There is no Stella Rosa. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna freaking cry. Arbor Mist, I think that's so good. I think that tastes good. I don't know. I want some Stella Rosa though. My hair looks it. Alright guys, so I just bought a donut and a twist from this lovely man who's selling these. What is this?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. You bake them yourself?
The distributor case.
Oh, okay. Alright. Nigga. Alright, big up yourself. Alright guys, so mommy finished work for the day. And we picked up a few groceries after work. And I bought a box food. So we're just walking home in the mud. What's up? I mean, what the food good? It tells a lot of food good, yeah, man. So because I got a corner one. There's a lot of mud from the river, so we gotta be looking step for step. Can't wait for cool off and have fun.
The next day.
Good morning to John Brown. Today is September 7th. It's 10:54 a.m. I am in KFC waiting on Shaquille to get a bucket of chicken so we can go back to that pool thing. Look at the line, guys. They just open at 10 o'clock. So if you don't think that the KFC out here is winning, you're dumb. This is the proof. Anyways, I'll pick you guys up later when we get there. Because I'm ready to go. I'm trying to get over this stuffiness. So. That smells good. Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to Abeokuta Park and we're gonna eat some KFC real quick. Then we'll go for a swim and then we eat again and then we swim and then we eat again and then we swim and then we eat again. How that sound, guys? Guys, why I wanna know, look, I'm not talking to you today. How that sound? Your boat fun? I think they're going to blow right now. Guys, we need a speaker. I know y'all like the pizza and stuff, but I'm here to party. And you always come empty-handed, like you just...
Well, it's
Anybody who got eyes can't see, she just wanna
You right there? Yeah.
Yep, far better.
Hi YouTube fam bam is currently, remember what time is it now? 6:57 p.m. and we are on our way to Montego Bay. We're gonna do a little girls night out, whatever that entails. You guys gonna be along with us. Deb is our chauffeur for the night. Mommy is the backseat passenger for the night. I'm the co-pilot for the night, and we just gonna have a good time. So I'll pick you guys up when we get there. It's what, like a 30-minute drive?
No, what, 45 minutes?
To go up on the road tonight? Depending on the traffic, you know the pothole, that's always the problem. So let's go. Alright guys, we made it to Montego Bay. And we parked and bought our movie ticket. Movie starts at 9:15. It's currently 8:33. And my mom them got jerk chicken and soup, and now I'm on a hunt for food because I don't feel for jerk chicken at all tonight. But there is KFC, I don't want that. Tower Gallery, Tutti Frutti, and Pizza Hut. So we'll see. So guys, we're back at the movie theater, and we're gonna get our seats now. Well, we're actually gonna go to the concession, so I gotta get them the tickets. So now, salute. Yeah, your country. Yeah.
Who does that?
Well, let me get you on there.
Who does that?
It's a respect.
I'm not at a civic function.
Oh, 3 people in that up. Why? Jamaica, boom, boom, Jamaica land we
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, that, shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.
So we're gonna go have dinner now.
My job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white.
Y'all getting an alcoholic drink? Yeah, you getting an alcoholic drink? What is a nice cocktail? Want to taste the wings? I know. How many years has it been? What made you make that decision? See? What did you do? What did you put in there?
We're going to Kingston. I saw. We're going to Kingston. What? What did I see? I saw chicken chop.
Alright guys, so we just had dinner. Dinner was amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend Pier 1. Now we're at the Harbour Mall that's right next door to it. Oh, they have the 876 shoe fashion store. It's so pretty. They say it look like Miami, and it's low-key giving because look at the Crocs store. Anyways, like I was saying, Pier 1 was 10 out of 10 recommend. Food was a little bit longer, but yeah. Look at that. I wanted to go to the Shein store. Is it open? The Shein store. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Is this all of it, mommy? Grooming lounge, okay. Look at the Shein store. It's probably the biggest store in the plaza. Yeah. I'm good, how are you?
I'm not good.
Y'all got alright, man. Good night. Alright guys, wanna get something from Tutti Frutti. Come feel for something sweet. Make me know you know. Oh. Hmm? I'm gonna take it. It can freeze out. Eat again later. I guess freeze up then. Whatever I don't eat around here. How much is it? So I want some peanuts on mine. Let's put it on one side because I don't know how this is going to taste. So these are pecans. Enough what now put what them maybe? You put grapes in yours? Alright, I'm gonna try the grapes. You got a Tutti Frutti, I got the triple berry, and you got the what's it called? Rum
splash.
Rum splash with the you put it on top.
Grapes and berries.
Is that raisin?
Raisin.
Ew. I feel like peanut butter. I put peanuts, candy, and grapes in mine, and it's really good. I don't know if it's healthy, but and
Should be healthy.
should be healthy until you put all these toppings on it, and then they weigh it, and then that's how they charge you. So this was 2,100 or something like that. But yeah, did you fill it up as much as you like or as less as you want? So yeah, now we're on our way home. A night well spent. Thanks for dinner, Pop. Mommy, you alright back there? What you doing? Oh gosh. You gotta lick your lips.
That's all right.